What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I detangle my beard. Now, there's a lot of different ways of detangling your beard. You can blow dry your beard to detangle it, which a lot of people do. There's nothing wrong with using a blow dryer on your beard, as long as you coat your beard with a beard oil or something to lubricate, to coat your beard to make sure that you're not over drying your beard. There's other ways too. You can use your hands to detangle your beard, which I kind of do quite often actually, and that will help you get knots out your beard. You can use this type of comb. This is a detangler comb. This is a Kent detangler comb that I got off of Amazon a while ago, because you can tell I've used the heck out of this because it used to say Kent on it. It doesn't say it no more. This is the 21T series or 21T mod, whatever they call it, series, I guess. And you can do it that way. You can just go real slow and just comb it out. As you can see, it's helping me get them tangles out. But the best detanglers to use is really your hands, because you can feel for knots in your beard, get them knots out. If you got a knot, you can cut the knot out. But this is a good detangler comb, and this is from Kent. Once again, you can go on Kent's website or go on Amazon, check them out. I also use this wooden pick. I use this really just to finish off me detangling my beard and getting it to lay the way I want it. I don't really pick out my beard yet because it's not really that long yet, but I go down with it and get it to lay the way I want it. But what you want to do is you want to have a moisturizer for your beard. And what I'm using this beard butter that was sent to me. It was made for me by a subscriber by the name of Uncle Donnie. He is trying to start his own beard care business, and he sent this out to me and a couple other YouTubers to try out. And I have to say, this smells great. This is probably the best butter I've used. The only butter I've used other than Uncle Donnie's is Maestro's, and that smells way better than Maestro's. And I mean, completely honest, it's an awesome butter. It does what it's supposed to do. It's like a butter. As you can see with how easy my hands go. It's not creamy, but it's like a butter. It's kind of almost quite near to how Live Bearded beard butter is in a way. Even though I haven't tried it, I've seen the consistency of that butter. So, and we just want to work that butter into the beard. Make sure we getting it down to the root of the hair, the skin, most importantly, because we do not want our skin to dry out. Because once our skin dries out, that is disaster waiting to happen, and you do not want that. Because people are so concerned about the beard, but the main thing with your beard is to make sure that your skin is moisturized. Do not neglect your skin when growing your beard. Just make sure that you get down to the skin. Really get in there. Work that stuff down to the root. And then we're just gonna take our detangler comb, or we can use our hands, and just work it out. Look for knots. And this is really a video for the people with curly beards, coarse beards, and thick beards that are just curly and they're just a pain in the butt to deal with. This is for those people with those type of beards. And I know there's quite a few people with curly beards that are thick and they get all tangled and they're a pain in the butt to deal with, because you got to try to comb it out. You're pulling out hair, you're getting frustrated, you're bleeding from the face. I mean, it's all kind of stuff going on. But we just gonna work this detangler comb through the beard. And just make sure that we not pulling no hairs out. We do not want that. The only hair that should be coming out is really the hair that you're shedding. That's it. We do not want breakage. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how I detangle my beard. Now, like I said, you can go about it doing it different ways. You can blow dry it, you use your hands. As long as you moisturize your beard, you put beard oil in or beard butter, whatever you want to use, and just work it out. You can use like a detangler comb, your hands, or you can blow dry it. You can blow dry your beard every day. I know a gentleman by the name, I don't know his name actually, but his channel is called Beards and Cars, and he blow dries his beard every day. And as you see his videos, you see how it lays out. So you can blow dry your beard every day, as long as you're coating it with an oil to make sure you're not, you know, really damaging those hairs. So you could try that. But I'm gonna sum up this video. If you watch this video, thank you for watching it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below, what do you use to detangle your beard if you have a curly beard? And with that, I'm out. Man, I can't believe I was watching Napoleon Dynamite earlier. Man, can't believe I ain't watched Napoleon Dynamite in years. Race Kwando. You can sign up for my program at $300 for 8 weeks. You can learn from me what I learned in the octagon for 2 years. Then yeah, Uncle Rico talking about, I could throw a football near those mountains. I'm like, oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Vote for Pedro. I can't believe I actually sat and watched it again. Man, that movie is old. I didn't realize how old that movie was. Man, that's crazy. Vote for Pedro. Hey, it was weird with me. I used to, at my old job, I used to write on I used to write on the table sometimes. I used to write, you could write in chalk and erase it off. And I wrote liger on my table. So what's a liger? It's a mix between a lion and a tiger. Come on, man, get your head out.